Step 6 in the home buying process is the renegotiation phase. This is not something that's going to happen in every transaction, but it's going to happen from time to time. And this is where you're going to look back at everything that's happened so far in the transaction. Up to this point, we're going to look at the disclosures, see if there's anything that came up that we didn't know about. We're going to look at the home inspection. We're going to look at the appraisal. And this is our opportunity to address all of those things before we make that initial deposit that we sent in step 1, non-refundable. So we got to make sure we got everything squared away at this point. So if there's any issues that came up with the home regarding the condition of the home, we can send what's called a request for repairs. We can do one of 3 things without requests for repairs. Number 1, request that they actually repair the items. Number 2, request they give us a credit in lieu of repairing the items. Or 3, request that they give us a price reduction in lieu of repairing those items. More often than not, we like to go with options 2 and 3. Typically, don't like to have sellers repair things whenever possible. The reason for that is who knows who they're going to hire? Who knows if the work is going to be warranted? If the people were qualified to do the work? We find it's just better to just get a credit and we can take care of it after you close. Or let's get a price reduction. Again, we could take care of the issues after it closes. That way you can use somebody that you know, like, and trust that you're comfortable with. So we can put that request together. The other thing that we're going to address at this point, if we ran into any appraisal issues, if the appraisal came in low, we're going to address that here as well. And as I mentioned before, we can either request that they lower the price all the way down to the appraised value, or maybe somewhere in between. So we're going to put that request together with you as well. We'll submit that over to the other side. And at this point, again, this phase is called the renegotiation. So it's all negotiation back and forth. The good thing is you've got the most experienced team in the entire county of Riverside working for you, having done hundreds of transactions over the last 18 years. We love this negotiation phase, so we're going to do everything we can to negotiate the best possible outcome for you, and we'll bring that outcome to you. If you're comfortable with it, and we'll move forward. And if you're not, we can always part ways with the transaction, but you're in good hands with our team. We'll make sure we get you taken care of and get the most positive outcome. That is step 6 in the home buying process.